Welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Good morning, little stars. Are you ready to start your day with some healthy habits? First thing first, splash some cool water on your face so that you wake up fresh and ready to shine. Then, brush your teeth, brush, so that it keeps your smile bright and teeth clean. Next, let's make our bed neat and tidy. A clean room makes a happy morning. Then, clean your body, take shower and get ready for the day. Now it's breakfast time. Healthy food gives you energy to learn and play. Let's pack our school bags, books, lunchbox and water bottle all set to go. After a fun-filled day, it's time to slow down and get ready for the bed. Set out the clothes for tomorrow. So that let's pick tomorrow's clothes. Now mornings will be super smooth. Let's have a bedtime hygiene. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and get cozy in the bed. Reading a story before bed is a calm and cozy way to end the day. Hooray! Wasn't that great? Good habits makes us strong, smart and happy. Let's do them every day. Good habits makes happy kids.